Hello everyone, welcome to LowCode FX. In this video, we are going to see how we can build a draggable control. For that, I will utilize slider, classic slider. Yeah, this one, x0, y0, and I will set width as parent width and height as parent height. Yeah, perfect. And the logic is for every millisecond, it will change the layout from horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. So for that I will need one timer. Perfect. And this timer I will set duration as 0.1 and repeat on, auto start on. Yes, so this is my slider 4. On end of this timer, on timer end, I will check if slider 4 dot layout is equal to layout dot horizontal. Then I will set one variable, that is var layout comma vertical if it's not horizontal, and else I will set it as horizontal. Yeah, and this variable I will pass it to the this layout option here. So let's play. Yes, so for every millisecond it will change the layout. Now select the slider and change this rel property to 1000. Okay, so it will look like this. So based on the width and height, I will set the max value. If var layout is equal to dot horizontal, if it's horizontal, then max value would be parent width. Yes, else parent dot height. That's it. We have got this slider value. Okay, now let's add a control, okay, which we need to drag. So I need icon. Let's add this airplane. Perfect. And this x and we need to set x and y property. Let's utilize timer again. So I will use this again, copy this, paste. So if it's horizontal, then I will set x property where x, and this is nothing but slider 4 dot value. Same way I will set where y. Instead of this slider value directly, we need to subtract this slider value from the parent height minus this slider value. We'll bring this up before changing the layout. So here we go, x property and y property. Yeah, now we need to make sure that this icon should be at the back of the slider. So let's bring it back of the slider. Let's set a color of the slider rel. It will be transparent. Also value fill transparent. We need to set a default property of the slider. So here we will utilize same logic. Slider layout is horizontal, then we will use var x. If it's vertical, then we will use var y, but it should be parent height minus var y, bracket close. Okay, let's test. Yes, that's it for this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.